Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with this master lock in its original packaging. It's a master lock number 3, and believe it or not, I never opened one of those before. So today is the day for my first master lock number 3, and even though someone tried to open this, it's really locked, there's no way in. And I would like to give it a try today. So let's see what it takes to get inside this. I think that will do just fine to get us inside. A master lock in near mint condition. Let me get a pick, medium pick in 0.6 millimeters and some random tension tool I have lying around. And if that should fit, which it does barely, good. Let's see if we cannot open this. Going through it from the back. First pin I'm touching appears to be binding. Don't know how many pins there are inside, so forgive me if I miscount. Okay. Nothing so far. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Should have used a depoke, I feel. Nothing on any. Did I get this right? Alright, got a click now. And another click. Feel like now I'm binding. Maybe I wasn't binding anything before. There's another something on some pin. And feels like the one in the front is left. Okay, let me get through it counting. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Click on 3. Nothing on 4. Are there even 5 pins in here? Let me restart this. Maybe should have gone about this differently. Let's try. No, that doesn't fit in there. And it does fit in here really nicely, so this should be good. Let me try again. Oh my god, failing at the master lock number 3. Little click out of 5. Little click out of 4. Don't know about number 2. Click out of 1. Find 2 again. Click out of 2. Back to the back. 5 again. Nothing on 4. Three is binding tightly. Got 3. I think there are only 4 pins in this. Let me try again. The back, number 4. Little click. Counter rotation on 1. Five. 4. 1. Nothing on 4. 3. 2 is binding now. Feel like I lost something else. Let me try again. Wow, 5 minutes on a number 3. I'm going to rethink my picking career. Let me get a deep hook because I do have the space, and let's see if that makes any difference. Click on the last pin, whichever that is. Nothing on second to last. And we're open. What am I doing here? Let me try that again if I can get this master lock locked back up again. The deep hook definitely made a difference. Maybe I couldn't touch one of the pins. Maybe I wasn't setting all the pins deep enough. Let me also get the key out so we can really reset this lock. And I think there are only 4 pins in this. Okay, works. Somehow. Feels like it's made of plastic. Okay, deep hook, tension tool, one more time. Embarrassment is coming my way. I can feel it. Okay. That was 4. Nothing on 3 yet. 2. Three now. Nothing on 4. Maybe I forgot number 1. And that's it. I'm so embarrassed. Okay, that's it for Manipulator. You probably never see this. If you do, let's have a lot of fun together. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye bye.